Are you working in the steel and fabrication industry and looking for a solution to cutting intricate angles in your metal stock, fast and cleanly, without compromising on blade life or tool durability? Well, stay tuned. We've got a real game changer for you right here. Hi everyone, my name is DK, and today I'd like to present to you the Evolution S355 MCS, the industry's first 355mm metal cutting mitering chop saw. It's accurate, with a 46-degree mitering base both to the left and to the right. You can quickly set up for precision miter cuts on all of your metal stock. It's reliable, with a rock-solid, knurled rear fence combined with a selection of quick-release front and top clamps. It can secure your workpiece tightly in place for repeat cutting on all common metal profiles. And it's powerful. Its high-torque motor and gearbox system ensures it makes easy work of even the toughest materials without compromise on cut quality. First up, to get the saw ready for action, locate the head lockdown pin, which is situated right here. Equipped with the saw is the famous Evolution 66-2 355mm mild steel cutting tungsten carbide tip blade. This blade has been specially designed to run in tandem with the saw's powerful high torque motor and gearbox system, which ensures that the blade will run optimally so that the metal stock cut cleanly and square every time. Now you will have noticed the sliding rail that the head is attached to. I must stress that this is not to be used in the same fashion as a sliding miter saw. The glide rails are for quick release repositioning of the saw head in order to reposition the angle of the head. A locking pin can be located here. Once released, the head can be smoothly adjusted along the glide rails into each of the three set positions. This is a very handy feature as many chop saws need vice adjustments using an Allen key in order to achieve the same function. At 90 degrees, it can cut all of these materials to these capacities, cutting them all faster, cleaner and safer than an abrasive saw. And this rotary table enjoys the advantages of a miter saw, allowing for toolless adjustments to cutting angles, giving greater accessibility of different angles. The saw will miter to both the left and to the right by 46 degrees and features positive stops. At 45 degrees left, it will cut all of these materials to these capacities. There's also this thumb lock lever here, so you can lock any specific angle between 0 and 46 degrees in place. At 45 degrees to the right, this saw is capable of cutting the same types of metal stock to these capacities. A huge upgrade in design on this saw is the innovative design that ensures safe and effective clamping on all different shapes and sizes of metal stock. Housed at the front of the machine is this front clamp bar. It allows for metal stock to be clamped anywhere along the full width of the base. Supplied with the saw are two quick-release front clamps. These simply slide onto the front clamp, like so, and can be adjusted to secure your metal. An advantage of the clamp bar is that you can clamp very close to the blade when cutting smaller or shorter lengths of stock. Another great feature of this clamping bar, the height can then be adjusted to best suit the stock being worked on. These height settings are easily controlled through clear positive stops on the vertical posts. In addition to the front clamps, also supplied with the machine is this quick-release top clamp. There are three V-block adapters also supplied with the machine. These can be slid onto any of the front clamps or the top clamp and are useful to give a firmer grip on some types of metal stock, from angle iron to square tube. Another feature of note on the base of the saw are these holes right here. They give compatibility to use bench dogs as additional clamping accessory. For user comfort, there's an ergonomic ambidextrous handle and trigger, giving ease of operation for both left and right-handed users. For blade changes, there's onboard tool storage here. So in addition to the supplied mild steel cutting blade, Evolution Power Tools also offers additional material-specific 355mm tungsten carbide tip blade, which are also compatible with this saw. There's an aluminium cutting blade which looks like so. This blade has a specially designed kerf to avoid clogging. As aluminium is a soft metal, it tends to want to bind into the kerf of the saw blades. So if you're working with a lot of aluminium, then this blade should help alleviate this problem, giving you a much improved user experience and better bang for your buck. There's also a thin steel cutting blade, which looks like so. It has a slightly slimmer kerf than the standard mild steel blade, so it will leave a really smooth and clean finish on those smaller and thinner metal stocks. Lastly, there's a stainless capable blade which looks like so. This blade is rated to effectively cut 302, 303 and 304 gauge stainless stock. Remember, stainless work hardens. Double check with your metal supplier about the grade of stainless ordered before use. that's not all. Evolution Power Tools also offer a best-in-class 3-year warranty with the S355 MCS. And there we have it, the Evolution S355 MCS 355mm metal cutting mitering chop saw and supplied mild steel cutting blade. A heavy-duty game changer in the fabrication industry, being the first 355mm mitering chop saw to hit the market. More accurate, reliable and powerful than abrasive saws. That's about it for me today. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you again on the next one.